In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download ChatGPT for desktop. This is a quick, straightforward process, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can get the official desktop app onto your computer without any confusion. First, open your preferred search engine. You can use any one you like. In the search bar, type a simple query such as ChatGPT download or ChatGPT desktop download. Keep it short and direct. That helps surface the official result right away. When the results load, take a moment to scan for the official ChatGPT desktop page. Avoid anything that looks like an ad or a site trying to imitate the real thing. You're looking for the legitimate page that specifically mentions ChatGPT for desktop. Once you spot the correct result, click it to open the ChatGPT desktop page. On that page, you'll see clear options to download for different operating systems. You'll usually find two main choices, Mac OS and Windows. Choose the one that matches the computer you're using. If you're on a Mac, select the Mac OS version. If you're on a Windows PC, choose the Windows version. If you're not sure which one to pick, think about the device in front of you. Mac laptops and desktops use Mac OS, while most other laptops and desktops run Windows. After selecting the version you need, click the Download button. Your browser will begin downloading the installer file to your computer. For Mac OS, this is typically a file ending in .py. For Windows, it's usually a file ending in .exe. You may be asked where to save the file. Choosing your Downloads folder is a good default. Let the download complete fully before doing anything else. If your browser shows a progress indicator, wait until it's finished. A couple of quick tips while you wait. Make sure your internet connection is stable so the file doesn't get interrupted, and confirm you have enough free space for the download. If your browser shows a warning, double-check that you click the official desktop page and not a third-party mirror. Sticking to the official source helps you avoid outdated or modified files. That's it for the download. To recap, you searched for ChatGPT download, opened the official ChatGPT desktop page from the results, selected either Mac OS or Windows based on your computer, and clicked it to download. You now have the desktop app file on your machine, ready for the next steps whenever you're ready. Thanks for watching, and great job keeping it simple and secure.